Probably not. Chris, Danita, back to you.
All right, thank you, Mike. All right, where do you bank? You probably think most people would have a quick answer for you, but the reality is that many people don't have or never had a bank account in their name.
That's right. The Now's Lauren Wilson tells us it's a growing problem, and one group thinks they have the answer. Lauren, it's the post office that's pushing to offer banking at their locations.
That's right. They want it to be a one-stop shop with more than a quarter of Cleveland households unbanked, meaning they do not use or have access to banks at all. The post office thinks they have a solution to the problem while also keeping their struggling business afloat. Shipping boxes, filing mail, functions we automatically associate with the Postal Service. But that could soon be changing.
You'll have post offices increase services that could give back to the community.
A group representing postal workers seeks to add finance to their resumes. It's all an effort to combat the plight of banking deserts.
You go to different communities and you find that there are no banks. Essentially, it's a big problem.
Leaders tell me too often people get sucked into using payday loan and check cashing spots as their bank. A very slippery slope.
When you charge somebody almost 300% on their dollar, we feel that they're taking advantage of people. But what we wanted to do, reach out to people that have experienced this never-ending cycle.
Like Crystal Durham.
You know, I've been muscled, taken advantage of, hug, wink, bamboozle, that type of thing.
Wanting to keep her identity concealed, she found herself at the mercy of one recently to help out a family member.
If I didn't have my job or I didn't have other family members who basically stood up for me and stepped up to help me out, I mean, I basically would have been at a loss of despair.
The Postal Workers Group claims they can offer people like Crystal a way out with minimal banking options like cashing checks, fund transfers, and prepaid cards at a free or low-cost rate.
There are banking deserts, but there are not postal deserts in these communities.
We're pretty positive that we'll have, or confident that we'll have a good result.
Now tonight at 6, the Postal Workers Group pushing the effort will hold a public hearing on the topic. The ultimate goal is to petition the Postmaster General to allow banking to be offered across Ohio. Cleveland is just one of 5 cities nationally taking part in this effort. For the Now,